Addition within 100. This is the second chapter of Mathematics textbook grade 1. And this is the second lesson of week 5. And the topic for this lesson is word problems. Objectives of today's lesson are to make a sum with the help of given numbers in the statement, to solve the given word problems. Let's start our lesson with mental starter. You have to do a very simple activity. You have to make the numbers with the help of given illustration and then add these numbers. You are in practice of doing it. You have done it for so many times. This is not at all difficult for you. Take your time. Yes. Yes, I hope you have done it. Yes, the first number is 53 and the second one 67, correct. Now add these up. What's the total we get? Altogether it makes 53 plus 67. Yes, 120. If your answer is the same, that's correct. Good job. Carrying on mental starter with a given activity, very simple. You have to add up the given numbers and the place values are identified at the top of the given digits. So start doing with the first sum. Yes, 7 and 3 or 3 plus 7. What's the total? Yes, 10. 0 will fall under units place and 1 will come under the tens place. In the same way, 3 plus 9. It makes up 12, correct. And 2 plus 2, very simple, 4. That will fall under units place. Alright, let's move ahead. Well students, we are still at mental starter and we will be having another activity which you have done earlier as well, that is adding the given numbers with regrouping this time. Yes, you have to regroup the given units and you are in practice of doing it. The numbers given are 62 and 18. Just take your time and do it yourself. Yes, please come up with your answer quickly. What's the answer? I know you won't take much time. Yes, the answer is 80. 0 will come under units place and 1 will be carried forward at tens place and in total this will be 80. Alright, let's move ahead. Alright students, before we proceed towards the practice of doing word problems, let's watch this video. As you know that videos are always helpful to clarify the given concept and to create more interest within the given topic. And the instructions are the same, that you have to note down the main points and look at the given details very carefully.
Hello children, how wonderful to see you. Today we are learning to solve addition word problems where you see addition in the real world. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Emily has 6 dolls and Amanda has 2 dolls. How many dolls do they have altogether? I give you some time to find the answer for yourself. Let's find the answer together. Emily has 6 dolls. Amanda has 2 dolls. We add 6 and 2 to find the number of dolls they have altogether. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. We conclude Emily and Amanda have 8 dolls altogether. Question 2. 5 ducklings are swimming in a lake. 3 more ducklings join them. How many total ducklings are swimming in the lake? I give you some time to find the answer for yourself. Let's find the answer together. 5 ducklings are swimming in the lake. 3 more ducklings join them. We add 5 and 3 to find the total number of ducklings swimming in the lake. So, 5 plus 3 equals 8. We conclude total 8 ducklings are swimming in the lake. So, we've solved some word problems. Notice these keywords all together. Total. They tell you to add. Often, you may see other keywords that also tell you to add, such as some, in all, both, and combined. Now, take a break for a while, and then we move on to.
I hope the video was good and you really enjoyed it. Let's discuss the given example taken from page number 49 of textbook. It's a story sum. If you read it, it states that Afsha has 3 toys. Her sister has 6 toys. How many toys do they have all together? First of all, we make the statements. Afsha has 3 toys. If you look at the given picture, it is given the same way. And her sister has 6 toys. It is also matching with the given picture. And on the very right side, we have to do the working. That is the working area on right side. And we make up a sum for doing our working. 3 plus 6. How many in total? How many toys in total? Altogether, there are 9 toys. If you count, these are the same. And if you add up in the form of a sum, these are the same. 9 toys. Altogether, there are 9 toys. It's very important, children, to write down an answering statement at the end of the word problem, along with the working. Alright students, after watching the video, after discussing the given example, now let's do some practice regarding word problems. Look at the given questions. Question number 1, Sarah has 5 chocolates, Sana has 7 chocolates. How many chocolates do they have all together? So, what you have to do, follow the same steps. First write down the statements, then do the working in the working area, and at the end write down the answering statement. Yes, Sarah has 5 chocolates and Sana has 7 chocolates. These will be our statements, and our working will be on the very right side. Yes, 7 plus 5. It will be 12 chocolates, and they have 12 chocolates all together. In the same way, question number 2, there are 25 mangoes and 17 strawberries in a basket. How many fruits are there in the basket altogether? Make your statements yourself and do the working, make a sum, and then the answering statement. Come up with your answer. How many fruits in the basket altogether? Yes, 25 plus 17. Altogether, there are 42 fruits in the basket. Correct answer. Moving towards some written task, you have to do page number 49, 50 and 51. Part A, B, C, D, E and F of mathematics textbook grade 1. I'm sure that you can do it very easily and independently. Rather, you will enjoy doing it. Alright students, let's wrap up the session by discussing few questions from the given written task. These questions have been taken from page number 51 of mathematics textbook, and the first question states that there are 17 cupcakes on the table and 12 cupcakes inside the oven. How many cupcakes are there altogether? Yes, first of all you will make the statements and then make a sum and then add it up, and in total there are 29 cupcakes. For the next question, Anita has 34 blue balls and 29 red balls. How many balls has she in total? Yes, write on the statements, make a sum and write on the answering statement at the end. Yes, in total Anita has 63 balls altogether. Correct, good job. Now let's discuss the reinforcement task, which will be done as homework as well. This page number 52 of mathematics textbook, part A, B, C, D and E. You need to do it within the notebooks and you will follow the same steps for word problems. So stay safe and work well.